Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well and welcome to the new update on Shiba Inu token. In my previous video, we saw that the price line of Shiba is moving in a down channel, and today I want to show you another bullish reversal pattern that the Shiba Inu is completing right now, and it is completing the final leg of this harmonic bullish reversal bat move, and it will give us another idea that exactly from where the Shiba Inu can start a big move to break out the resistance of the channel. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas at the Patreon on the daily basis, and if you would like to support me there, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. So let's start the analysis. First of all, I want to show you this live daily time frame chart, and here we have already seen that the price line is moving between a major resistance and support level. For example, here we have the major resistance that the price line of Shiba is not able to break out for the long time period, and this is also a very strong support that the price line is not able to break down so far. And the resistance is at $0.000093, and the support is at $0.000055. And at the same time, the price action is moving slightly in a down channel. This is the resistance of the channel. And let me draw the resistance and support for you. And this was the resistance, and this is the support of this down channel. And the price action was moving in the resistance and the support of this down channel very well. And finally here on this date of 6th of July, and after hitting the resistance on 6th of July on this candlestick, the price action was rejected, and so far it is moving towards the downside. Now I would like to again show you the volume profile of the complete price action, what it is showing us, where it is showing the traders' interest based on the volume profile within this down channel. Now I'm just going to apply the fixed range on the complete price action moving within this down channel. Then we can see that this point of control of the volume profile, this red line, is leading it can lead the price action above the resistance of the channel, because you can see that the price action always follows this point of control of the volume profile. And now once the price action will again turn towards the upside like it has been doing previously as well, to reach at this point of control, then it can come out from this resistance of the down channel, and it can also break out this resistance. And if the price line will break out this resistance, then it can start a very big move. Let me just show you a very important indicator I'm going to place, and that is the Ichimoku cloud. And you can see for the long time period it was very strong bearish, and the price action is moving below this Ichimoku cloud. And now for the first time, the Ichimoku bearish cloud is turning bullish. At this time it is getting weaker, and you can see that we have the support of this Ichimoku cloud at the same level where we have this resistance of the down channel. So once the price line will start breaking out this resistance of the down channel, at the same time it will be also breaking out this Ichimoku bearish cloud, and I'm expecting that soon it will be turned bullish. It will be changed into green color, and that will be showing the very powerful bullish signals by the Ichimoku cloud on the daily time frame chart. This is a very strong bullish signal. And if we take a look at the lagging span, this green line which is moving here is the lagging span of the Ichimoku cloud. If it crosses the candlesticks up, that is the bullish signal, and when it crosses this Ichimoku cloud as well, that is a very strong bullish signal. And at this time you can see that while moving between the candlesticks, now it is likely to cross the candlestick towards the upside. You can see that it is moving towards the upside. I'm just removing the price action, then it will be easy for you to watch the Ichimoku cloud. So this is very strong bullish signal that we are going to have when the price line will be breaking out this resistance. At the same time, we can expect that it can also make a very strong attempt to break out this Ichimoku bearish cloud. That is a very, very important indicator. And Japanese took almost 30 years to develop this Ichimoku cloud. It gives us very useful information about the upcoming bearish or bullish trends. For example, at this time, it is giving us the indication that the bearish trend is getting weaker and weaker. Therefore, we can expect a breakout very soon. Now, I would like to show you this bullish bat pattern that has been formed on the daily time frame chart. And as per the Fibonacci sequence of the bullish bat, and the buying range is $0.00000645 to $605, and the sell targets can be $742 to $886, $0.00000. So this is approximately up to 45% profit potential trading idea. However, I'm expecting that once the price line will be reverse bullish from this buying zone of this bullish bat, it can also make the attempt to break out this resistance of the down channel and this Ichimoku cloud as well. And then after breaking out this Ichimoku cloud, the real bull run of the Shiba Inu will be started. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis you will find here, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.